Hi, I hope you're okay. So today we'll discuss about evening primrose oil. So let me tell you a small history about evening primrose oil. So evening primrose oil is natively from North America, and it derives its name. The name evening primrose oil is because the flowers bloom during the evening, hence the name evening primrose oil. So when would you need, or when will a pharmacist, a qualified medical practitioner, suggest you have evening primrose oil? So do you have the following conditions? Yeah, so we will discuss. So evening primrose oil we recommend in condition related to pain. Let's start with the ladies. Ladies, if you have very painful menses, I will suggest you invest in evening primrose oil. Number two, if you have painful breasts which are cyclical, which comes like a week before your periods, you could invest in evening primrose oil. It will be of very good help. So when it reaches to menopause, women who are undergoing menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes, evening primrose oil is very, very important. I normally suggest patients who have reached the menopausal age to invest, to have evening primrose oil and take it every day. Number two, for patients who have suffering from osteoporosis, evening primrose oil, as you remember, we said we give in conditions related to pain, so it's very, very important. Another important thing, it's used to treat inflammation conditions such as acne, psoriasis. So as you age, in women, let's talk about women, because I normally suggest it's a very good supplement meant for women because of the conditions we tend to undergo during our age. So when a woman has reached her menopausal age, definitely there are issues which come like hot flashes, there's osteoporosis sometimes, and rheumatoid arthritis. So what I suggest is, as you take evening primrose oil, combine it with calcium and omega-3, which is fish oil, it will be of very good help, because they work in conjunction together, they work together. And so if you have reached the menopausal age and you don't have the following, because I'll say when you should not use evening primrose oil and conditions which if you have, I won't suggest you get evening primrose oil. But if you don't have the conditions, it's very good to. So if you're also in the adolescent age and you're suffering from acne, I will suggest also you invest in evening primrose oil, because it's a very good anti-inflammatory because of how it is made. It has unsaturated fat, which is we call it gamma linoleic acid. It's very good when it comes to treating acne, and I've seen patients who come back with positive results. So if you're an adolescent or if you have recurrent acne, you can invest in evening primrose oil to help you get the best skin you want. So with this beautiful, wonderful advantages of evening primrose oil, care should also be taken. Number one, you should not take evening primrose oil if you're pregnant, because it might induce labor or bring miscarriage. Number two, if you are taking blood thinners, you should not take evening primrose oil. Also, if you're taking things like aspirin, if you are on a long-term medication for aspirin, some antipsychotics, you should not take evening primrose oil. So if you have any question relating to evening primrose oil, you can ask me. I'm here for you, and I'll be always here for you, and I want you to get the best. At KSC Pharmacy, we ensure that you get the best possible outcomes. So if you have any question, just ask me.